I want to show you something I bought recently. This is my new CNC router. So as you can see, it's a mostly printed CNC router called the R-CNC. I got this pretty cheap, but it had some issues, some parts that needed to be printed again, and I had to change. But as you might see, I already changed some parts. You will see it when you watch the later videos about me repairing it. So we changed all the blue parts already, because either they were defect when I bought it or I crashed the CNC into it while trying it out. So this is a small CNC. It has a bed size of 50 by 50 centimeters and is powered by this router here. So we can use different bits and drills to make something. Also there are attachments for pens or some other things. But enough from the CNC right here. I will show you some more details on my computer so we can look about more things in detail. I will do a video series about repairing the CNC and also upgrading the CNC, and after that we have to at least test the CNC and see if it works and if I am happy with the results, or if we have to do some more upgrades, or maybe if this is nothing for me, sell it at the end. So stay tuned. So here we are on the Maker FR website. This guy made also some newer versions of the CNC already. I think the newest is the R-CNC, but as I said, I bought the R-CNC. So let's go to some specifications about this little CNC router. So here you can see this version has been replaced by the R-CNC 32, but this doesn't matter for me. So we have a large area of 550 by 550 millimeters, and it cost around 350 euros to build this whole thing. So it's fully autonomous and very easy to use. We got an SD support, so we plug in our SD card with our G code we made before, and after that it will work just like our 3D printers and go from point to point and not put material on the bed but take material from our workpiece. So one other nice thing is it has 4 rubber pads, so we don't get any scratches on our surfaces we are placing it on, and also it reduces some vibrations. The electronics are integrated in the machine. I will do a separate video about the electronics built in, or at least take a look at it, what it's look like, and maybe do a relocation of it. So you can see all the different angles of the CNC. As you can see, he printed it all in green, but that doesn't matter for me. Here you can also see it first time in use, so some wood milling. I will turn off the sound. So this is what it looks like in action, and hopefully also looks like in my basement. So this whole thing is powered by a RAMS 1.4 board. I think we can maybe see it in the wiring. So here we can see it. We got our RAMS board. We got our other things like the power supply, our on-off switch, the router, and also our stepper drivers and our stepper motors for X, Y and Z. So there's nothing much about it, but it seems to work. I already did some manual movements which worked. So some worked better and some others led to a crash, which made me some more work, but that's not a problem. If you're interested in it, also we have the Thingiverse website. There are all the files, some remixes also, and some upgrades. Also, as I said, there's already a new version available. Maybe it's worth to take a look at it. So that's all I can say about this CNC router for now. If you have any questions about it, ask me in the comments, leave a like, and I would be happy if you subscribe to my channel to get the latest news about my CNC projects and other things I'm doing in my basement.